Okay, class. Today we're gonna learn about the Cold War. I need a volunteer to be the Soviet Union. Okay then, I'll volunteer someone. How about you? Theodore?
Oh, wonderful! May I say it is indeed an honor and a privilege to participate in such a lively classroom endeavor, for it is often said
Bravo! You go! Stand over there. I'm gonna need some, satellite nations. Here, you be Yugoslavia. How about you as Czechoslovakia? Actually, everybody come up here and face the blackboard.
But why?
Oh, because you're the Berlin Wall. All right, everybody close your eyes to simulate nighttime. You too, Theodore.
But I'm the Soviet Union.
You're taking a nap. Weird. Glandular functions slowing down. Mental alertness dangerously low. Small contusions on all their foreheads. Energy and vitality levels. Not that bad. Okay, maybe I was wrong about that.